Nightlight on Windows 11. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. In this one, I'll explain what Nightlight is in Windows 11 and how to turn it on. Folks, Nightlight in Windows 11 reduces blue light from your screen, giving it warmer orange or yellow tones. It helps reduce eye strain at night, especially in dim environments. It helps your body relax. Blue light affects melatonin production, the sleep hormone, and strains eyes during long computer use. To activate night light, it's easy. Click the Windows icon, then click Settings. In Settings, go to the side menu and click on System. Under System, click the first option, Display. In Display, you'll see the Night Light option. Turn it on. And that's it, folks. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. See ya.